Gun. Oh man, it didn't go through.
I'm the one they want to 11 carries on the
So there you guys have it. That is my video for the Tesla Cybertruck. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you're someone who wants to actually rent a Cybertruck like this, where I got this from was an app called Turo. Now, if you're not familiar with what Turo is, it's basically an Airbnb, but for cars. And Turo let me have this Cybertruck for the weekend, so I've gotten to know it pretty well through all my filming and just driving it around, taking it on the highway, doing all these different things. And what I can say is that the Cybertruck is it is the most insane car that I've ever driven, that mostly any other people have ever seen on the roads. I can't tell you how much attention this thing gets when I'm driving up to lights or I'm on the highway. People are pulling out their phones, taking pictures, wanting me to roll down the window. Like when I park in a parking lot, they want to come in and check it out. It's just a spectacle, this thing. So if you're someone who wants to rent one for yourself, I highly recommend that you do and just get to know this. Because for me, it's my first time driving a Tesla and actually getting to know the whole EV world. And I'm going to be completely honest here and say that I wasn't a huge fan of these things when they came out. Pretty much like most people are as well. But once I saw this thing in person and started driving it, I kind of fell in love with it. So if you're someone who wants to, who maybe thinks the same way that I was before they started driving EVs, give a Tesla or a Cybertruck, if you can, on Turo a try and just rent it for 1 day, 2 days, and see what you think. Because this has been, I can honestly say, one of the coolest and most just insane experiences of my life so far. So if you guys like the video that I made, if you want me to do something like this and more of these kinds of videos in the future with different kinds of cars, please let me know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed the video, drop a like on it, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so you know when I post new videos. Try to post videos like this every other week or so. So if you guys have any suggestions or anything, leave them in the comments. And again, thank you to Turo for letting me get this car for the weekend. I can say it's been one of the craziest experiences of my life. So anyways, guys, hopefully you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.